All right, so this is I'm gonna be comparing the Tyent. We're gonna actually test it, hook it up and test it. The Tyent and then the Enagic machine right behind it, the monstrosity. Sorry, it's taking up the whole counter space. So here's what we're gonna do. Look at the hoses first and foremost. This is the Tyent hose. This is the Kangen hose. Just goes to show you the faith that Tyent had in making their machine. They had to make it super tiny to actually get the water to go through it. So let's actually hook up the Tyent first, get some water to run through it, and we're gonna compare the two right off the bat. So don't spray me.
You're pushing 3, which is 9.5?
Yep, go ahead and fill it.
Can you see, Bree?
Mm-hmm. It's a pretty slow flow rate, so it should get a good reading, right?
Okay.
There you go. What do we got on the ORP meter there? Why don't you walk them through what that is?
All right, ORP is oxidation reduction potential. So you want to reduce oxidation, inflammation, aging in your body. You want this number to be negative, not positive. So here is the Tyent. Positive 150 or 170.
180, probably settle right around positive 200, so that's oxidizing in the system.
About the same as bottled water.
So the most antioxidizing water that comes out of the Tyent machine is oxidizing. It's about the same as a bottled water, really.
So their marketing was a little false.
Yeah.
Should we go ahead and do the pH, or should we?
We'll do that one here in a second.
Okay.
Let's get this monstrosity out of the way. This is the K8 machine, the Kangen K8. We're gonna hook it up, run water through it. A lot smaller, and that's like our biggest machine.
Around about the same, yeah.
Yep, about the same flow rate. Alrighty. And that's good enough.
Alright, so this is the Kangen 9.5, right? And that's a negative, you see the little minus sign. Negative 560, ooh, negative 600, that's what I'm talking about. Negative 600.
Okay, and now let's actually check the pH. We have a pH chart we'll show you guys here in a second up here. So the pH of the Tyent, or Tyent.
Tyent.
So that's pretty much neutral, which we'll show you guys here in a second. Same as tap water, and there's the Kangen water right there. So look at it in the chart up here. 7 being neutral, it's slightly alkaline, maybe 7.5 on that. And the Kangen water is super purple way over here. So oxidizing water and not alkalizing water at all whatsoever. And we always like to point this out. So this is the drain hose from the machine from the Tyent. Look at the color of that hose. It's not supposed to be that way. That's like algae or something, or mold or something growing in the tube.
The girl said it was clear when she bought it.
And so Enagic actually puts embedded silver in the lining of their tubes so that this doesn't happen. It costs a lot of extra money to do that. Once again, these guys are kind of cutting corners, making things as cheap as possible, and that's why you want to avoid buying a Tyent machine, so you don't have to deal with this in a few years, and you can have a machine that lasts 25, 30 years. So I'm about to rip it open. We're going to do a few more videos on that. Maybe we can splice them all together so somebody can watch this. So there we go, guys.